Assalamualaikum, Miss Hareem here. Learn normal English to advanced level of English. I have written some normal English words and advanced English words. Move a bit. थोड़ी सी हरकत करो. You may call it, in advanced English, you may call it scoot over. Scoot over. Stay right here. ठीक यहीं पर रुको. Stay put. Stay put. Start again. दोबारा शुरू करो. Start over. Stop interfering. Stop meddling. Stop meddling. Do it slowly. आहिस्ता करो. Go slow. Go slow. Number 6 is come back quickly. जल्दी वापस आओ. Hurry back. See you later. बाद में मिलते हैं. Catch up. Catch up. What are you doing? What are you up to? What are you up to? I will pay for it. I will pay for it. यानी मैं इसके लिए पे करूँगा. It's on me. It is on me. It's showing the responsibility like it is on me. I don't have money. I am broke. I am broke. So that's why I can't purchase the car. You may join for complete lecture series and I've provided my contact number right here. So stay connected. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.